Hello there, my name is Ollie from Unmatched. Today I have for you the 2022 Ford Transit Custom. Now this one here is a short wheelbase, 5-seater, 6-doored crew van. Now this does come with heated seats for the driver and the front passenger, as well as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, a reversing camera, automatic transmission, a digital rear view mirror as well there for you, as well as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, cruise control, hands-free calling and voice assist, and speed limits on the steering wheel. As well as in the back we do have 3 more cloth lined seats, and I will just show you the load area in the back. Now, what with this being a medium-sized van, a crew van, as well as being short wheelbase, the cargo space you do get in the back is lovely and big. It does come with ply lining on the side, cargo ring stuff at the back to tie down any loads you may want to, as well as interior lighting in here and an undented, unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this van, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link is in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're not, you can always also come down to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more.